In this example, we are asked to solve for x, and as you can see here, we have the variable x on both sides of the equal sign. So that means we need to move all of our variables to one side and all of our constants to the other. So I always like to move my variables to the left and keep my constants on the right. This just helps later on when we get into inequalities and multiple choice questions. So I'm going to start on this left side. And I have a 5x, which is a variable term, which is in the right spot because I want my variables on the left. But I also have a constant of positive 3. Remember, I only want variable terms, so I have to move this positive 3. So we're going to inverse it using a negative 3. Now, on the other side, I have a variable term that I cannot combine that negative 3 with. So I'm going to add a constant term just so that I can see where I need to move that negative 3. Because it is a constant, it can only be added to another constant. So I just added this 0 here as a constant that wouldn't change anything, just to help me with visualizing where things go. So the positive 3 cancels out on the left, and we're left with 5x equals. I'm going to bring the 2x down, and of course now I have that negative 3. Next, I'm going to focus on the right side, which is where I want to keep my constant of negative 3. So I need to move this variable term of 2x. It is a positive 2x, so we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. And that will cancel out the 2x over here and leave us with negative 3. And on the left, we get 3x. The last step is to inverse the coefficient. The coefficient is the 3 that is multiplying on the x, and the inverse of multiplication is division. So we're going to use a division bar to divide by that coefficient of 3, which will make that coefficient cancel out and leave us with x equals negative 1.